Morning, little fella. You stinky bastard. What are you doing? This is where I gotta work, bud. Don't you be pissing there. Don't do it. Pepe. Pepe. Pepe Le Pew. What are you doing? Uh-oh. Don't be looking at me. Hey. Come over here. Ah, he's probably hungry as shit. I got nothing for you, bud. Want some coffee? Oh, you're pissing it. That would reek. Skunk coffee. Fuck, it's no different than Tim Hortons coffee anyways. Fuck garbage. See you later, buddy. Take care. Have a good one. I'll miss you. Bye-bye.